I'm going to show you how I make slime, so come on watch. And I'm going to show you, hey, you gotta be quick. First thing you want to need, glue. Pour that shiz nuts in there. That's not wrong. And a bowl. Boom. Automatic glue. Next thing, Tide. Got this from the dollar store. Tiny bit. Bling. Watch. Shimatic. Oh, whoopsie, I already made it. I already made some, so. Yeah. Holy. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. You see how that almost turns into slime? Now, if it doesn't work, well, it should work. It's gonna work. You have to have Tide because the things that, the other thing, I mean, well, I would suggest Tide because I've tried this with other, I forgot what they're called. Other washer machine things. And it did not work at all for me. Well, maybe it will work for you, but I think Tide has this little, Tide has this thing in it that makes it way more better. And like, yeah. So, and at first, it should be really goopy and like slippery. That's normal, don't worry. And it should be like really gross and ugh. And nobody wants that. It smells horrible too when it's like this. Yeah, it smells horrible. Now, that should happen. But if it didn't happen, you're perfect at this. And, so it's like really not, it's not going together. It just doesn't want to. Then when that happens, you just gotta wait and keep on molding it. Which, this, I'm going to show you I'm molding it, so I'm going to show you how much minutes it takes. So, see, this is really not like what I want. So, that's what I don't want, and that's what nobody wants when it's like that. See, now it is forming. There, formed. Now that's what you like, and mine just automatically went blue, but you could dye yours. I don't really feel like dyeing mine. It's beautiful. I might dye it in the next video, but see ya. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.